Yn dod i'r studio heddiw, mae Rhian Madam Rygbi.
Oh, Madam Rygbi.
Madam Rygbi.
Do you have to say it like that?
No, but you have to talk rugby, because dwi ddim yn dda iawn.
That's fine with me.
Di hynna'n iawn?
You like rugby enough.
Ydw, ond dwi ddim yn gwybod lot, ond dyna ni, gawn ni sgwrs gyda hi. Hi ydi fan rygbi mwyaf Cymru. Mae hi yn fel super fan.
Super duper fan. Uber fan.
Ydy, mae hi. Mae hi wedi teithio'r byd yn gwylio gemau rygbi. Mae hi wedi bod yn sylwebu, has been commentating hefyd ar y rygbi. Wedi sylwebu ar gwpan rygbi'r byd yn 2011, pencampwriaeth y 6 gwlad a 7 y llewod i Awstralia. Iawn te, wyt ti'n barod i weld y patrymau? P'un ydy dy hoff? Hoff means beth.
Which one is your favourite?
Yeah, da iawn. So beth ydy player yn Gymraeg?
Chwaraeon.
Chwaraeon sports.
I always struggle with it, don't I? We'll skip over it.
P'un ydy dy hoff chwaraewr?
P'un ydy dy hoff chwaraewr?
Da iawn. Which is your favourite team?
P'un ydy dy hoff team?
Dim.
Dim, treiglo.
Which is your favourite stadium?
P'un ydy dy hoff stadium.
Da iawn.
I know that, stadium.
Yeah, da iawn. So that's which is. Pwy ydy dy hoff?
Who is your favourite?
Who is your favourite? Nesa.
Beth sy'n mor arbennig am?
Yeah, arbennig is like special. So what's
your speciality?
What's so special about?
Okay, all right. Okay, I got that completely wrong.
Yeah. So what's so What's so special about Welsh rugby?
Beth sy'n mor arbennig am rugby Cymru?
Yeah, da iawn. Neu am dîm rugby Cymru, about Wales's rugby team, da iawn. Beth ydy, gair da, uchafbwyntiau?
Uchafbwyntiau?
Yeah.
I've heard this before.
Rhaglen, a few weeks ago, wnaethon ni y raglen uchafbwyntiau.
Highlights?
Highlights.
What's been your highlights? What are your highlights?
How would you say, what were the highlights of the Six Nations competition?
Beth oedd uchafbwyntiau cystadleuaeth competition? Cystadleuaeth 6, 6. I always go from wedi 7 and move backwards or forwards. So it's 6. Country, gwlad?
Yeah.
Gwladiau?
Yeah, not just gwlad.
6 gwlad. So, beth oedd uchafbwyntiau cystadleuaeth 6 gwlad?
Ardderchog.
Is that right?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Da iawn.
Got there in the end, didn't we?
Gwych.
Diolch yn fawr.